Creating an email in Constant Contact involves several straightforward steps to ensure your campaign looks professional and reaches your audience effectively. Here's a concise guide. Log into Constant Contact. Go to Constant Contact's website and log into your account. Start a new campaign. On the dashboard, click Create or Create Campaign. Choose Email to start a new email campaign. Select a template. Browse through available email templates. Choose a design that suits your message and brand. You can start with a pre-designed template or choose a blank template to create a custom design. Customize the template. Use the drag and drop editor to add and arrange content blocks such as text, images, buttons, and social media links. Customize the design by changing colors, fonts, and layouts to align with your brand. Add content. Enter your email content, including subject lines, body text, and any calls to action. Ensure your message is clear and engaging. Select recipients. Choose the email list or segment of contacts you want to receive the email. You can create a new list or select from existing ones. Preview and test. Preview your email to check its appearance on different devices. Send a test email to yourself to verify formatting and content. Send or schedule. Click Send to deliver the email immediately or schedule to set a specific date and time for sending. Review and analyze. After sending, monitor your email's performance using the report section to track open rates, click-through rates, and other metrics.